In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload and add fonts into Canva. Now, there's two different ways that you can do this. The first way being here on the home page. What we want to do is come over to here where it says brand. We want to click on here, and this is going to open your brand kit. Now, if you do not have a brand kit, we need to create one first. So we click up here where it says add new. We then name our brand kit. This could be your business. For this example, we are going to put your brand kit, and then we're going to click create. Now from here, we come down to where it says fonts just here, and then we can click add new. Now please bear in mind that this is also a Canva Pro feature and you can't do this on the free version. Now if we click on add new, we can go to upload font just here. Then we can choose files. Then we can choose the font which we want to upload. For this example, I have this one just here. We're going to click open, and now we're going to get this message. Please confirm the following. By uploading my own custom font, I acknowledge that I own the font's name or have the right to use it for my intended purposes. You then want to click yes, upload anyway, and then it's going to upload that font. So that's the first way that you can upload fonts here in Canva. The second way is you can do it when designing. So if you have a design which you have created but you want to upload and change the font, you can simply click on your text, come up to here to the left hand side where all of the fonts are available, come down to the bottom just here where it says upload font, click on there. You can then choose the font which you want to upload, click open, click yes, and now you're able to upload the font that way as well. Then if you want to use that font, we can simply come to the search bar just here and type in the font's name. Then you can find that font and use it in your designs. So that's two ways on how to upload and add fonts in Canva. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials just like this, click right here and watch this playlist.